Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with an awesome video, you guys. Now, I have a wonderful item that I'm sure some of you have already seen around, know about, and the wonderful benefits of this in your smoothies, in your teas, in your drinks is going to boost your weight loss to another level. This is Spirulina, and this is organically pure Spirulina powder. This is a powerful superfood, and it's going to support your energy and vitality. This is supposed to boost your energy up, you guys. So imagine boosting your energy up and being able to work out faster, get through your day with more energy. All right, this has 0 pesticides, herbicides, yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish, or tree nut ingredients. This is a vegetarian superfood, okay? It's also vegan friendly. Now, this is highly concentrated and complete with protein. This is going to support your healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. If some of you who are having high blood pressure problems, diabetes problem, cholesterol problems, this is a superfood you need to start implementing in your daily routine. Now, this has the most nutrient dense. This is fully packed with vitamins, minerals, fibers. I mean, it has it all. It's 100% pure, rich source of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. It is packed, you guys. This is why it's called a superfood. And this is going to naturally support your healthy immune system. And it's also superly packed with antioxidants. Now, this wonderful supplement is going to help build your muscle mass and maintain your body weight. It's fully packed with antioxidants. This is also wonderful for our beauty care. This is going to help our hair to grow. It's going to help with hair growth and also with thickening of your hair. So if you're having any type of issues with your vitamins and minerals that you're not able to get enough to produce healthy hair follicles, this is going to help you out. Okay, now this also helps to fight the 3 major causes of our skin aging, which is inflammation, oxidative stress, and glycation. Okay, so those are the 3 major causes of us aging before our time. This is also awesome for weight loss. This is going to alkaline our body, boost our liver functions, and remove those heavy metal toxins and pollutants out of our body. Now, like I said, this is a powerful superfood. The only disclaimer I have for that is if you have PKU, and I'm going to put the word down below, you should consult with your doctor before using this because of the fact that it is high in amino acids. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it this afternoon for my afternoon drink. Now this is just a simple drink that I'm going to have 20 minutes before my meal. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare this wonderful superfood. Okay, you guys, so like I told you, you can prepare this in anything, in your teas, in your drinks, especially this drink right here. Okay, especially this drink right here. Now this is what I plan on doing this afternoon, but I'm going to show you how it's going to benefit me. Okay, so simple, you guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 teaspoon of your spirulina. Okay, 1 teaspoon. And if you can see the color, this is a deeply rich green color. Okay, plenty of chlorophyll. This is a naturally rich algae which is high in protein, and it's a good source of iron, antioxidants, vitamin B's, and it's largely made up of protein and essential amino acids. Look how green that is. So you're just gonna put that in your glass of water. Okay, now after shaking up my Bragg's apple cider vinegar, I'm going to proceed with 2 tablespoons. And what you can do if you're on the go, you need to bring this with you to work. You can just pre-make your portion in a bottle of water, bring it with you to work. Now what you're going to do is you're going to stir this well. And what it's going to do is going to turn into a deep forest green color. Okay, look at that color. Deep forest green. We're talking fully packed with your vitamins and nutrients. Powerful superfood. Now I'm just going to put a little honey in for taste. Okay, you would put in maybe about a teaspoon of honey or your favorite sweetener, but make sure that it's natural or organic. If you'd like, as an option, you can also add in your real lemon juice or squeeze in a half a lemon. And you know what? That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in a teaspoon, or 2 teaspoons actually. Okay, 2 teaspoons of my lemon juice. And that's it, y'all. Stir that up well. Okay. And it has somewhat of a fruityish kind of taste, but it has a pleasant taste, you guys. This is another wonderful way for you to drink your Bragg's apple cider vinegar and boost it up to another level for weight loss, another powerful level for healthy wellness in your body. This is going to do your body wonderful. Implement this every day. You can even mix this in your warm beverages like your green teas with the extra antioxidants. You can blend this into your smoothies, your green smoothies or whatever smoothies. This is something for you to do every day. Start using some spirulina in your everyday daily, okay? Even if it's one time for the day, this is beneficial for your body. This is going to help to bring your blood pressure down, help you to regulate your diabetes, to get rid of that. It's going to bring down your cholesterol. It's going to boost you up, fill you with energy so you can be zippity-doo-dotting all day long. All right, so you guys, I just wanted to come here real quick, show you this wonderful, powerful, another way to lose weight. Okay, boost your body up full with antioxidants, fibers, I mean everything. Okay, amino acids, everything. And you're going to see some wonderful results in your skin, in your hair, in your body. You understand? So you guys, I just wanted to show this video to you real quick. And you know, this is another way to boost up your apple cider vinegar. Another wonderful way, and it tastes pleasant. So thank you again for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button, you guys. Hit and smash that like button. I have more powerful ways for you to boost your body up for that maximum weight loss, okay? Don't forget to check down below. I'll have links where you can buy some spirulina to start adding into your diet every day, into your smoothies, into your drinks, your beverages. This is good. Just 1 teaspoon in your beverage. And with this drink right here, if you're going to do this for weight loss, you can do this twice a day. You can do this in the morning, and you can also do this in the afternoon. All right, so you guys, listen, I tell you, I'm bringing to you everything that I can possibly find in my arsenal to give you guys everything that you need to lose that weight, to get your body started, to get ready for this summer. All right, so you guys, thank you again for joining me on this video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these with your friends and family. Also check out my other video channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skin care, beauty care, all right, family challenges, fashion hauls, and more. And until the next time, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Vlogs, introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.